you guys? This is your girl, Just Shalon. I want to talk to you guys about something. It is, and I do have a topic today, okay? And I do know that it's Sunday. Thanks be unto God. I want to talk about what is a upside down credit score. A upside down credit score is a credit score that you have that you are uncertain uncertain of. You are uncertain that you're going to get approved for that credit advancement. You are uncertain that you're going to get that credit card. You are uncertain that lenders are going to approve you for a personal loan. That is what a upside down credit score is being uncertain about what your approval rating will be. Okay? I don't want to apply for something if I know that I am uncertain about my credit score. But if I know what my credit score is and where I stand, I'm just not going to apply if I know it's going to affect my credit score. The objective is not to hurt yourself more than you already are. The objective is to try to get that credit score up so that when you go into these different lenders or you reach out to these different lenders, they have nothing else to say, or they have nothing to say to you other than how much do you need? When do you need it? How long do you think it's going to take you to pay it off? That's all I want them to say to me. But because my credit score is where it's at, because I know what my credit score is, I'm not going to play with these lenders. I don't need for you to tell me something that I already know about my credit score. And this is why you have to pull your credit score so that you know what you're working with. Don't go in there blindsided. Don't go in there acting like you don't know. Check your credit score. Pull your credit score for yourself. You don't need them to tell you something that you should already know. I don't want no one to tell me or somebody to tell me, yay, nay, this, that. No, don't tell me to straighten up something, to correct something when I already know I should be doing that. Don't wait for people to tell you something that you should know yourself. Don't look at people. Don't look at them like a deer in headlights when they say your credit score is not this or it's not that. See, I believe God wants us to use wisdom, okay? I know the favor of God, Lord, give me favor. But I also know that He wants us to be smart in what we do and how we do it and when we do it. So, a upside down credit score is a score that you are uncertain about. That's why you got to be and become certain about it and get certain about your credit score by checking it and pulling it yourself. Okay? Most people would say Credit Karma. Credit Karma is not 100% accurate. Okay? Do not rely 100% on Credit Karma to give you a complete accurate number on your credit score. No. Before I even end this video, you know what's so interesting? When you go to like these different lenders have a different credit score. So every time they pull your credit score, one is going to hurt you if your credit score is bad. Two, if your credit score is good, it's not going to hurt you as much. But see, the objective really is not to allow any lender to pull your credit score knowing that you don't know what it is yourself and not knowing where you stand. But these different lenders will pull your credit score, and each one of them will have a different number for your credit score. So one lender might say, oh, your credit score is a 525. Another lender might say it's 535. Another lender might say it's 540. Okay, which one is it? See, this is why you have to be ahead of the game. You got to know yourself what your credit score look like, so that when you go and you apply for something, don't look like a deer in headlights, y'all. Okay, your credit score is upside down. You are uncertain. You know you're not going to get approved. You know it's shaky. You know where you stand. It's upside down. The only thing you want these lenders to say to you is how much do you want? How much do you need? That's all you want them to say to you. I know it's hard not to want to run that credit score, because there's things that you want, things that needs to get done. But I also know the process. It takes time. I get it, y'all. I know, y'all. It takes time. But the quicker, the sooner you act, the quicker, the sooner you will get results. Okay? upside down credit score. And also, when you go in there and the lender asks you, where do you stand with your credit score? Do you know what your credit score look like? In the back of your mind, you would assume that you do know what your credit score look like. So, but you would just tell them, look, it's upside down. It's upside down. I don't even know why I'm in here. Because I know that you guys are not going to approve me. So why are you there? Shalon, why are you there? Why am I here? Why am I here? So my thing is, if it's not God, look, don't go. You know your credit score. Do not put yourself or harm your credit score or mess your credit score up worse than what it is. Okay? It's upside down. It is what it is. Like, I'll rebuild it. Take the time to rebuild your credit score. Look, if you got to crawl before you walk, if you got to take baby steps, it is what it is. Get it done. Rebuild your credit score. It is what it is. There is hope, okay? It's upside down. You know that. Hey, God knows that. The lenders would know that if you let them or allow them to run your credit score, but don't do that, okay? I hope this video made some type of sense, you guys. This is your girl, Just Shalon. I'll be talking to you guys later. Bye.